Good afternoon, everyone. I am Rochelle Sanyel with my partner Joanne Mamantal, but later on she will discuss. We will start this topic for today. So, our topic assigned for us is the saving and this investment, the paradox of thrift. So, for start, what is saving and investment? Saving is the portion of income not spent on current expenditure. In other words, it is the money set aside for future use and not spent immediately. For example of this, keeping the money in the bank. Lahat naman ng mga mamamayan is meron na tayong mga bangko, di ba? So, doon nila nilalagay yung mga perang naiipon nila and para magamit sa future use or sa mga emergency para meron silang makukuha kapag kailangan nila. What is investment? It refers to the act of buying an asset to make a profit from its use. For example of this, if I am a businesswoman sa farm, if I want to build a farm or sa mga magsasaka, if I want to invest for the machinery na meron, magpo-purchase ako nun since mapapadali yung trabaho ng mga workers ko and magkakaroon din ng sense kung paano nga ba uusbong yung business na meron ako. So next is what is the paradox of thrift? The paradox of thrift is an economic theory proposed by British economist John Maynard Keynes. It suggests that while it's good for individuals to save, but if everyone save too much at the same time, it can harm the overall economy. So pag masyado ng maraming nag-iipon, wala nang gumagastos, kasi syempre iniipon nga nila yung pera na meron sila, merong masamang epekto ito sa ekonomiya natin. So, lahat ng mga sobra is nakakasanama naman talaga. So, dapat maging balance sa pagkakaroon nito. Mag-ipon ng balanse para naman walang apekto ito sa ekonomiya. So, Joanne Mamantal, you're next. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Sanyel. So, let's move forward on how savings affect investment. So, savings and investment are closely interconnected in economics. The supply of funds, interest rates, capital formation, economic growth, and balance of payment. So, in other words, savings provide the necessary funds for investment, which leads to lower interest rates, higher capital, and foster economic growth. So this relationship demonstrates the importance of both savings and investment for a healthy economy. So ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin kung ano yung impact ng paradox of thrift or the paradox of savings, or also known as the paradox of thrift. So it refers to the theory that a rise in savings rate of individuals can surprisingly cause a fall rather than a rise in the overall savings in economy. So first is reduced consumer spending, decline in economic growth, delayed recovery. So the question here is saving good or bad? So saving is generally considered good because it provides financial security and helps us prepare for emergencies and enables future investments. However, excessive saving can be bad if it leads to underconsumption, so which may slow down the economic growth, and the concept related to the paradox of thrift.